Hey, credit repair business owners, I'm going to share with you a secret formula that's going to guarantee you to make more money with less clients. This formula works whether you're just starting your credit repair business or you're already established. Regardless, what this is going to do is decommoditize you so that you no longer have to compete on price. All you have to do is create a high ticket credit repair offer. How do you create a high ticket credit repair offer? Well, I do it in a very simple formula. All I do is think about what new problem am I creating by solving their current problem. So if you don't know who I am, I own a company called Get Credit Repair Leads, help credit repair companies get high ticket credit repair clients. So for example, most credit repair businesses have a hard time getting quality leads, especially using Facebook ads. So what did I do? I created a course, and that course teaches you how to use Facebook ads to get high quality leads. Now that I solved one issue, I created another problem. For example, you have to create your own ads. But if you don't have any experience, or you're camera shy, you don't want to do that. So that caused another problem. So what did I do? I created a plug and play library of video ads that they can use, and it solved that problem. So therefore, I created a course. I created the Facebook ads they can use. I bundled everything together because I knew that every time I saw one problem, there's going to be another problem. So with doing that, it didn't cost me any extra money, and I made an absolutely amazing offer that they can't get anywhere else. So I want you to think about how can you solve all the problems that you create by solving their first problems. Let's say you were fixing a truck driver's credit because they want to get in the trucking business. So once you fix their credit, they're all good to go. They need to know where to get a truck, what lenders to get a truck. They might even need to figure out how to set up a trucking business. And you want to list all the steps that it's going to take, they're going to need from going from a good credit to getting a truck. Whatever you can solve it, especially if it doesn't take you any money. Bundle it together, create an ultimate package or offer. And now you're not competing with anyone. Now you have an absolutely amazing offer that decommoditizes you, meaning that now you can charge whatever you want because it's not just credit repair. You got like this whole big offer and it's different from all your competitors. So there's no one else that they can get that same offer from. So when you do that, you create a brand new credit repair offer and you can charge high ticket now. So if you don't want to compete, y'all should join my 5-day high ticket credit repair challenge where I'm going to teach you how to do all that and how to automate this whole system. Peace.